Alright, so after a bit of a rubbish day yesterday of accidentally snipping through some of the tracking on the shield, which is one of these things that you do all the prototyping for, I've never done that before, so it was an interesting lesson to realise never to do that again. Be really careful around solder tracks. But as you can hopefully see here, we've got it back and working, and I've got all the leads plugged in. I'm just printing a whole bunch of new stuff, both there and over there. And that should mean I'm essentially working on what must be about maybe the fourth build of the RadioGlobe. And really it's definitely that thing of where the devil is in the detail, so just getting all the tolerancing to fit, even just little things like reprinting this just because I wanted it to fit a little bit better and accommodate the wiring. So yeah, it's going well, but always some interesting setbacks and a bit of learning. So there we go.